Hey everyone, welcome to E&D Toys. Today we're going to check out some wooden puzzles. We're going to learn letters, numbers, and shapes. So let's get started. Our first puzzle is the alphabet, and I need your help. Can you help me find every letter and get it back to its spot? Thanks. All right, let's start right here. We have a yellow C and a green D. The C makes two sounds. It says k, k, cat, and s, s, cereal. D says d, d, dog. All right, let's find where it goes. Is it over here? No. Down here? No. Oh, way up here. There. Great. All right. Next is a blue I and a yellow J. I says two different sounds. I says igloo, and ice cream. J says jam. Where does J go? Oh, right there. I and J go up there. Next we have a blue B. B says ball. This one's blue. No, that's a W. This one's blue. That's an R. Oh, there's our blue bee way up there. We found it. We have a purple U and an orange V. U also has two sounds. U says unicorn, and umbrella. And V says violin. There it goes right there. We found it. And here is a green H. H says hat. All right, H. Oh, there it is way up there. We found it. We have a red K and an orange L. K says kangaroo. L says lion. Where does that go? Oh, right there. Here is an orange Q. Q says queen. There it is right there. Here's a red O and a green P. O says two sounds. It says orange, and octopus. And P says penguin. That goes right there. Perfect. Here's a blue W. W says watermelon. Oh, I see it right there. Here's a blue R. R says rhinoceros. There it goes. Here's a red A. A has two sounds. A says apple, and acorn. A is the first letter of the alphabet, so it goes right up there. Here's a yellow X. X says X-ray. Oh, I see. It goes right there. Here's a yellow S and a red T. S says snake. T says turtle. Where could that be? Oh, found it. Here's a purple G. G makes two sounds. It says grapes, and giraffe. Let's find the home for this purple G. Right there, right before the H. Here's a green M. M says, monkey. And it goes right there. Here's a red Y and a purple Z, or Z. Y says yo-yo. Z says zebra. And it goes right there at the end of the alphabet. Here's a purple E and an orange F. E makes two sounds. E says elephant, or eagle. F says frog. And they go right up here. And our last letter is a yellow N. N says nest. And it has one spot left, and it is right there. We did it! Thanks so much, you guys. We finished the alphabet, and it looks fantastic. Let's say all the letters together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, or Z. There's the alphabet. It looks great. Thanks again. Our next puzzle is all about shapes. Will you help me again? Great, thanks. Okay, let's get started. Here is a yellow rectangle. Can you help me find where the rectangle goes? Oh, I see it, right with the snake. Here is a purple triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Does it go here? No, that doesn't look right. What about up here? Nope. Right there. That fits great. Here is a green pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's find where the pentagon goes. Right here? No, that doesn't look right. What about here? Here it goes. That's the right spot. This is a blue square. A square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Let's find where the square goes. That doesn't look right, does it? This one has 4 sides, but it doesn't quite fit there. Interesting. Right here, this looks like the great spot for it. This is an octagon. It is a red octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sure you've seen an octagon many times when you're out driving. It looks exactly like a stop sign. A stop sign is the shape of an octagon. It has 8 sides. Let's see where this goes. Oh, this looks right. No, that's not where it goes. What about here? No, same color, but not the right shape. Wait, right up there. That's where it goes, up with the elephant. Let's do this one next. This is a red diamond. It also has 4 sides, just like a square, but it's just a little bit different. It's kind of like a square that's been squished. So let's see where that goes. In here? No. Right there. Perfect fit. This is a blue oval. An oval is kind of like a circle that's been squished. Just kind of like the diamond looks like a squished square. Let's see where we can put that. Right here, I see it. This is a yellow circle. Let's find where the circle goes. 1 spot left. We did it! Great job, you guys. Thanks for helping. It looks wonderful. Our next puzzle is all about numbers. Can you help me find the numbers? I see they all have some fun animals on them. I can't wait to see what everyone is. Let's start with this one right here. This is the number 3. There's 3 playful puppies on that one. Let's see if we can find the spot where it goes. That's not quite right. What about here? No. I see it. Way up there. There. That's where the 3 goes. Let's try this one. This is a 5. This 5 has 5 silly pigs playing around on it. Let's see if we can find where this one goes. Here? No. Right there. We found it. Thanks for your help. This is the number 7. There are 7 woolly sheep on this number 7. Let's see where it goes. This is the right color, kind of the right shape. No, that's not it. I see it right there. This is the number 4. There are 4 galloping horses on this one. Where does it go? Here? No, that's definitely not right. I know, right there. Great. This is the number 1. It has a tall giraffe on it. The number 1 goes right here. Perfect. This is the number 9. There are 9 buzzing bees. Bzz, 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 bzz. Let's see where these buzzing bees are gonna go. That's not right. Right there. We found it. This is the number 2. There's 2 fluffy bunnies. So cute. Let's see where the bunnies go. Number 2. Do you go there? No. What about here? No. I know. There. That fits perfectly. This is the number 10. There are 10 roaring lions on this one. All right, let's see where this goes. Oh, I see it. Right there. Perfect. Here is the number 8. There are 8 quacking ducks. Let's find where they go. Not there. Oh, right there. Great, we found it. There's 1 left. This is the number 6. There are 6 playful kittens on here. I bet we know where this one goes. There's only 1 spot left. Right there. Great, we did it. Thanks again for all your help. Will you count with me? Let's count to 10. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great counting. Well, I had so much fun doing these puzzles. I hope you enjoyed them as much as I did. Thanks so much for helping me do them. You guys were a big help. Now it's time to find out the name of the day. Are you ready? Here comes the first letter. S, D, O, A, I, N, D. Addison! Addison is the name of the day. If your name is Addison, I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!